Hello, friends. Testing 1 2. Can everybody hear me okay? Hmm. Good morning. Good evening. How's everybody doing? Uh, Nothing crazy. Actually, this is my second little short scalpy of the day. I took this one right here. Earlier in the day, and you know, lower time frames were having money flow, everything was coming down, so I wasn't expecting much. And you know, everyone's super bullish right now. And what I came out with, it was like 30 grand, but I guess it's now like 27,000 off that one. And what I'm really looking at here now, couple things. I'm looking at this 12 hour, seeing if this wave is going to clip over, this VWAP is going to tip over. 12 hour. Looking at Ethereum, same thing on the 12 hour. RSIs are split apart. Technical difficulties there. Are we back? Are we back? Man, my internet, they shut. They're telling you folks, they're coming after us. They're coming after us. Must be something they don't want you to know. Must be something they don't want you to know. Wish I remember what I said. I gave a grand Shazam scheme. I revealed everything. Where was I? What are we looking at? Um, what was the last thing you guys heard? Anyways, as far as the Chongs go, I will say this, that normally they go when they're going up is when we see that crash. Um, and I can understand why people think it can come up like this, because it has before. You were just to look at the candles on the 2-day, you can see like it's happened before. You know, this one flopped, but it's I see it's I see why people can get trapped thinking what they're thinking. Not saying they're gonna be wrong. Reading the future is hard. This 8 hour sticks out to me for sure. RSI split apart. We're just having a momentum curve. This last one was kind of a doozy. $12-hour ETH does have momentum coming up. A curve VWAP, like, yeah, this, you know, technically this could just be like, that could happen. That could happen. Or this could happen, you know? Um, but the way I'm playing this is really, I mean, it's just like I played the scalp earlier. I'm happy with the little, and if it turns into a big move, I'll take it. Where it actually looks, actually what looks more bearish right now is these lower time frames. We got blood diamonds firing off, 1, 2, 3, not 1, not 2, but 3. Just on that one. That's on standard candles on the 15-minute on Ethereum. What about Bitcoin? 3 on the hike and the sheet. I wonder if these are going to play out. I wonder if this actually is going to play out and not be a failed blood diamond where it doesn't mean anything but where it actually means something. Look at the hourly. Hourly's been paying off huge. The hourly has been my best time frame in the past 2.5 weeks. I've made more money off that. Most of my trades been off the hourly time frame. The majority of my trades, besides like the last 2 or 3, maybe the last 2. This hourly's been nice. And you know, when we were like back over here, I was bearish. You know, I was when we were when we were right here, Even we drew Chinese Ching Chong. And if I do recall, I did say that we could absolutely come up to even 50k and do more sideways shit before potentially going lower. But um, this was looking weak to me, and so I was looking for this dump. I was looking for this to dump down more for sure, though. Uh, doesn't mean it can't happen. Just might take a little more time. Um, boy, I tell you, you know, the was it me or were the bulls sounding the alarm today? I mean, we might as well bid at 70,000. That's what I felt like. Um, you know, here's what I'll say. We always like to think about big moves, talk about big moves, plan for big moves. And our big moves right now even ain't that big. Like a 10, 15, 20% drop, 5%'s like a big move to us right now, and it wasn't always like that. Big moves used to be, the percentages were much bigger. And that's what happens when the price is when the price is something, when there's more people in it. Um, the hourly is what we were talking about. We were talking about the hourly. The hourly is what's really been paying off these past few weeks. Damn, look at this. Look at this crash on the RSIs. think the hourly gives the best picture. And just like look at the notches, kind of right here, right here, right here. It still had room to go. That had room to go. This came down, came back up. And, you know, we'll see. Maybe it's fucking gonna make a bounce off this or something. Maybe it does create a curve. Shut up, dog. Goddamn, dog. Shut up. What is this, 3-day? 3-day's got a little momentum, potential little momentum clip here. Little skinny VWAP coming up. Potential little doji there on the... Doesn't look too bad. Or it could just end up being something like this. Man. You know, when it comes down to it, like all this leads to one answer. To me, there's one answer. And the answer is if you are trading or moving in and out, if you are trading, it's certainly a time to check your discipline and not really care. Like, I don't really care what the price is like gonna do. I care about I care about my trades, obviously. Like, I care about what the price can do with my trades, but I'm saying there's way too, most people get way too emotionally tied up in this shit. And it's a time for like patience, yet action, discipline. Like, if I close this trade right now and make 30 grand on top of the 27, that's almost 50 grand. Even if it was ended up just like 40 grand total, like that's 40 grand total. And like, whatever that number is for you, whether it's $500, whether it's $1,000 or $10,000, it doesn't matter what it is. It's you didn't have before. It's free. think a big part of it is what you're trading for. I've, you know, I get a lot of messages. I know a lot of people get a lot of messages about, like, since I've been doing this, like, Twitter, I've been on Twitter, I've been getting a lot of Twitter messages from people like, hey, you know, I want to learn how to trade. Can you teach me? Like, what do I, you know, I need more money. I'm just like, fuck, man, like, trading is, trading for the majority of people ain't the thing to grasp onto when you have nothing else to pull yourself out. Not saying those things don't happen. It happens. But if in order to keep yourself not stressed about your money and not messed up about how you're doing it, at least for me, it needs to be money that you can afford. I'm trying to think of like a non. This dog barking outside's driving me fucking crazy. Bloodhound out. Anyways, that's all I have to say about that. No, you know, I worry. And you know, when people ask me, can I start trading? Should I start trading? I say no. No. And if you're going to do it, no. But it's only a yes if you have an income that you've created to do it. So if you, let's say you're at your job, if you have a job and you know, it's especially it's amplified if you're a family, if you have a family, if you have kids, if you have people that are if you have more responsibilities than your own ass. If you're a young single person or a young person, then it's a little different. Like you can shoot your shots. But like if you want to take up trading, for most people, then you need to create an income to finance your trading. That's what I think. I don't even know why I'm talking about this. I don't know why I'm going on this rant, but shit, I haven't been trading much. The amount I've traded with has decreased a lot. There's a time and a place, and you know, like when the windows open up, I'll juice it back in. I pulled out. I normally have like 0 or point 0.5, like 1.5 or 2 million or 3 million in my trading account, and I yanked it down to 1 million. Which really wasn't enough. I was able to trade that fucking pretty good up to 1.5. But man, if you watch our videos, watch my videos, watch my streams back from February, April, May on Bybit, my God, I can't. Whoo, whoo. Your boy was swinging. And those windows are gonna come. Those times are gonna come again, man. I can't wait till I'm pushing in 2022 when it's time to start pushing $10 million positions again. Fat ones, bigger ones. But I know now is not the time. But all that could change tomorrow. In fact, that happens to me all the time. I swear, every time I say, "Oh, this is a no," oh, I don't. This, I'm definitely not going to be trading today, or I'm not going to be doing this. Hours later, something happened. That's what happened with both my record, but the $2 million gain. I just got back from vacation that day. I didn't sleep. I was like, the markets don't look good. I don't see anything. I said, there's no way I'm trading anything right now. And 4 hours later, shit changed. And I'm making $1 million, $2 million in one fucking trade. So, windows open, windows close. Right now, the environment is choppy. And the past 2 weeks, we found little, blips in there, like the couple of hourly positions. But man, if you're stressing over Christmas, if you're holding positions, no one who's been holding their trades, I'm seeing all these people talk about, there's been so many gains that have been lost. So many gains because it's been going up and down, zigzag. Take the little wins, stack them up. That's another thing. Listen, I'm a gambling man too. I'd go to the casino to get it out of me. And you know what? I'm a little when I'm streaming and trading, there's obvious I'm an entertainer and I want to have fun and entertain and be with my people and so that's different. We do little gambles. But most people should know, like most people should be adult enough to know like what their shit is. Like, man, why are these people? Why am I hearing stories of people that lose everything? They had 100 grand and like, oh, I lost it all. I was trying to trade. What the fuck were you thinking, man? Anyways, it's almost Christmas. Can we play bingo now? No, I don't want to play bingo right now. I don't know, maybe. But as soon as bingo's always the climax. When bingo's over, it's over. Stream's over. Shit, I haven't been posting many trade. I haven't been posting barely any trade signals. But we shit. What was the last one we did? We nailed that one. We're doing fine. I'm speaking in general terms. I don't need to post anything on Discord. I don't need to post anything more anywhere. It's not my job to coddle your balls, bro, and trade for you. I have to take into account the type, we have a lot of new people, and it's different. It's not like Whale Crew. We had a tight crew where I know how we had to prune, we had to let people in. You have to ease, we have to ease people in because it's a sensitive garden. We used to say. I'm not coming at you, bro. I hear what you're saying. I'm not trying to come at you, bro. I feel you, man. I feel you. But you know, you don't need me. You don't need my calls. My creation's better than me. You have market ciphers with you 24/7. I'm not. How long did it take me to get to where I am today? 19 and a half years. Shit, I mean, I'm looking at literally even just the last two signals. When we nailed to the Tyson, from 12 to 24 hours, boom, 10 hours, 16 hours, boom, we fucking nailed that. We nailed that. Nailed that short. Two of them. Yeah, man. Listen, if nothing in Market Cipher says, oh, and it includes signals every fucking day, every fucking week. Like that shit's a treat, man. Um, it's all good though. I want you. It's I have to be aware of how you know I think a common problem with a lot of beginners or people entering into crypto and crypto trading or trading in general is they don't know when to stop. I did a couple consultations and I noticed it was funny. I do this little exercise where let's say we're talking about like basic strategy. I'm like, all right, Mr. Or Mrs. Sanderson, let's type in random shit in the charts. Let's type in, random letters. I say type in random letters in the chart and let's see what comes up. Number one, they always type in a shitcoin. I say type in random letters, like random letters, and they go, oh, okay. I'm like, oh, V chain. Your random letters character V chain. I said type in random letters. They go, oh, okay. Cardano, I'm like, you fucking. You can't. You pull up shit coins every time. That's not the exercise. For fuck's sake, pull up random letters. Click it. Then analyze the damn chart. That wasn't my original point, though. Fuck. Oh yes. Okay. Here's my original point. So I say, okay, put up random shit. Let's pull up a chart. Tell me what you see. Do you see anything? And normally they go like, oh well, oh, money flow's coming up here. This looks good. This, whatever. This actually don't look bad. The point of the exercise is they're always like, they're like, oh, okay, I guess I would short this, or maybe I would long this, and they're always trying to give an answer. And the point is, 9 out of 10 times, there is no answer. There is no play. It's not the basic strategy setup, and it's not what we want to see. And normally it takes 4 or 5 different random fucking shit letters, shitcoin letters, and random time frames to find a perfect one that speaks to you. The right trade should speak to you. And I'll be golly, I don't know what Just Dial is. What the hell, Just Dial LTD? I guess we kind of got lucky on this one. Maybe the R size little spread. Money flow coming up. What the fuck is this? Just Dial. What the hell is this? Might be something here, folks. It's an Indian stock. Anyways. Indian company? I believe they're probably kicking butt. Everyone's working from home. Everyone's outsourcing. Doing more business with India. India is an ally to the USA more than China. India needs to be our new China. We're long and just dial. Just dial. Just dial the phone. Here at Just Dial, we have all your customer service and phone necessities for your business. She's got a little 10%er in her. She's got a little 20%er in her. What do you guys think? I'd say she might have a little something in her. Maybe a little just dial. Maybe something like that. 11 days. Funny. Anywho. Wow, the month is almost up. It's almost the new year. What do we got? 7, 8. We got 8 days. 8 days until the year's over. Wow. Wow. That's crazy, man. Yeah. Yeah, I just been chilling. I know I haven't been making videos too much or anything. It's holidays, chilling. Haven't been trading that much. Ones I've been doing have been little. Racking up little wins, and they've been turning out good. Been a good past couple weeks. Cold outside. Been lighting the old fireplace. Wintertime's fun. You know, as mammals, we huddle together for warmth. here in the igloo. Anyways. I think that's pretty much all I got to I don't really think I have anything else to really say. Don't really have any crazy aspirations or crazy ideas. Just for me, like I said, the I think there's too much commotion. I think people focus too much on being bug-eyed and red-eyed and round-faced. And you know, you gotta know when to fucking chill and know when to put your foot on the gas. And no matter what indicators or whatever, no matter what you're using, the trade should come to you. You should be confident. You should be really confident in your trades. For real. In the time frame, in the lineups, like, it's not you just see one thing, oh, but there's a green dot here, and oh, but there's a blood diamond here on this one time frame. Oh no, that fucks up everything. Look at the big picture. Look at the whole picture. These fucking merch guys need to hurry the hell up and get our... Ooh. I'm waiting for an update on when the hell our new sweatshirts and all our new shit's supposed to be done. It better be done soon. And I think we're gonna be switching. I'm not gonna... There's no way that I'm gonna be going through this bullshit with these merch people with the shirts and everything. And so I'm pretty sure everything you see is limited edition, and we're gonna, when we sell out, and I'm going with something else. I'm not going through the shit that we've been going through for that. Shout out to our boy Mike Perry. Spoke to him briefly today. Can't wait for his next fight. Official sponsor for Market Cypher. Oh boy! Academy, running strong. We actually just added another 1 or 2 educators. I think we're going to be starting at the beginning of the year. It's the holidays, so you know everyone's taking it easy. Everyone take it easy. Everyone, especially in this shit, is so sporadic and twittery and like larva. You guys are like larva bursting out of a can that just, a Campbell's Chunky Soup can that just got opened with larva congealing out of it. You guys can calm down. Calm down for 2 fucking weeks. A month. Merry Christmas to you, Isaac. Thank you. BitBoy, hey, listen, he's still got 7-8 days, and I heard him say that he don't think he has to wear the costume on his show. He thinks he's just gonna wear it on around the blockchain where you just see his fucking face. Hell no. Hell no. He's wearing that shit on his fucking show, and I think his community would be pissed off if he didn't. They know the best. It's not that big of a deal. He's been hitting the gym. He's gonna look fine. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be great, but his publicity's done. But hell no. This bet was way too long, and he fucking he knows he's going on the show. You're wearing it on the show. You ain't just wearing it on around the blockchain, bro. You know it. And I wouldn't have cared so much if you didn't try to hammer your boy saying, you know, throwing left and right jabs. You tried to throw these jabs. So you're wearing it on the show. And I will be happy to oblige as a guest, and it's all gonna be fun and games and whatever. I'll still donate 10,000 to some to a foundation, but you're wearing it on the show.